What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use my system, my morphs, or whatever you want to call them. There's four different variants. You got the regular VIP, you got the killer one, you got the regular one that uses the currency, in-game currency, and then you have the one for the group. The way to edit this is you really don't have to do anything except edit these three values. That's all you have to do. Just edit this VIP to be your VIP Game Pass, enter this killer's ID to be your killer's Game Pass, and enter this to be your group ID. And if you don't have a group, either make one or delete this guy and delete this group ID. Once you have that working and you set all your IDs, it should work. Let me close this. It should work. As you can see, since we're in the group, it works. Let's see this. And it works because we're in VIP. Let's see this. It's going to spawn us over here, as you can see. And then last but not least, actually, we need to get to somebody smaller. So let's go to you. And then right now it's not gonna work because we don't have enough money. As you can see, we don't have. So now we gotta go. It costs 500 points. We only have 101. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to the server. We're gonna go to the server scripts or not this. The players. We're gonna click on your avatar or your thing. Go to points and we're gonna spam it by like 1,002s. And then click enter before it can edit itself. And now we have enough points. Let's do this. It works, and we can do it again. If you want. If you want to turn it off, you can. But in this case, I just have it set to true. And yeah, guys, that's literally it. If y'all like the video and you want to have this, go to the link in the description. Go to the link in the description, and you'll be able to buy this. But all you have to do is just go inside the game, and then so there's gonna be a link in the description. It's gonna link you to a game. Play the game and look up morphs, and then it'll give you this kit. Right here, the one that I'm in right now, it'll give you this kit. I don't know how much Robux is gonna cost, but probably not that much because it only took me a few days to make this. It was a lot of code, and it was definitely a lot of coding. Also, there's only like you can literally add like swords and stuff because if they try to kill the NPC, it still works because I made it so that the NPC has infinite health when they're still an NPC, but when you actually go and claim them, you can see it sets your health back to 100. So all these NPCs' health right now are set at infinite, but when you actually claim them, the health is at 100. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and if you want this game, check out the link in the description, like I said. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.